guys, welcome back to my channel. Today is Uwani Aliyu here, and in today's video I'm going to be giving you guys my own take on the soft in quotes, the soft glam trend that's been everywhere. I've been seeing this on Twitter, on Instagram. Yeah, I'm not really always on Instagram, but like I'm always on Twitter, so I've been seeing this thread on Twitter everywhere, and I was like, yeah, I need to do that. Okay, so this is it. I also did my hair in this video, so it's like a full get ready with me, just without the outfit because I'm just at home. I'm just wearing a robe right now, and yeah, I hope you enjoy this video. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe. Don't forget to click the bell like button down below so you have notifications every time I post a video. And let's get right into this video.
Like in my style and my videos. Don't run from me, free.
Okay guys, so before we jump right into this soft glam tutorial, I just want to do my hair first so I can look like a decent woman. I said woman being. And the wig I'm using today is from Wiggins hair. Shout out Wiggins hair, shout out Wiggins hair, shout out Wiggins hair. I'm not trying to do too much with this hair today. Oh, I think I should darken this. Just trying to darken the cap color. I've already been working this week, so I already cut off the lace. I'm going to apply some got to be to the perimeter of my head just to lay this down. I just want to do some a little bit of baby hairs. Today it just started snowing again. I'm just like, damn, I just want to sleep and stay in bed and, you know, not do anything, just chill. I see why people say this weather, you know, it can cause depression because you would just stay in bed. For real, it's just so gloomy. Man's gotta be prayerful this season, you know, just so I do it right. I mean, yesterday I had to even like shovel my snow. My hands, I don't even think I could feel my hands anymore after yesterday. I was just like, wow, okay, thanks Canada. That was the official welcome to Canada party, I guess. Okay, so we are laid up here. I'm just trying to do a side part. Spraying some conditioner on the hair just to lay it flat. Going in with some powder. Using some wax stick because I really want to just put this hair back so I don't have to style it and straighten or whatever. Okay, I've just put this just so it keeps the hair flat, and now I can finally jump right into this tutorial for the soft glam. And yeah, let's get it. I'm gonna be starting with my eyebrows, and I'm using my Wet n Wild pencil for this. I'm just drawing like real strokes. I say real strokes, light strokes to clean my brows because I want that super clean look. And I remember that LA Pro used to give that. So I'm using my LA Pro concealer and my angled brush from Lula Cosmetics to just, you know, set this brow straight. So I decided to switch to a voiceover just so this could go faster. So yeah, I used the same LA Pro concealer and I just applied it all over my eyelids just to serve as a primer for my eyelids, and I set it in with my Fenty concealer. Now for my eyeshadow, I'm using only the Morphe 35O palette, and I'm just applying that brown color as my transition shade in my crease and just blending that in. So you know what? When I first saw this trend saying soft glam, I'm like, this thing, is it really soft glam? Because it looks heavy kind of, but I just realized soft glam is like a matte brown based look or gray based. Anyway, I deepened my eyeshadow with another brown color, and now I'm just going in with my concealer again just to create a small cut crease, and then I'm using this nude color from the same palette and applying that all over my eyelids. And that's literally it for the eyeshadow. I did blend it out in the edges as well with the same brown eyeshadow we used before. Now, this was the hardest part for me because, you guys know I love my eyeliner looking very, very long, straight, slick, flick, all that. But here we just did a small wing, and then I applied my luscious lashes. Now it's time for my face. I'm using the Korres primer because this is very matte, and I really wanted this look to be super matte, and this is like the answer to that. I also applied the Becca primer on top of it because that's my holy grail. I'm going in with my Fenty foundation. You guys, this 470 shade, I kind of forgot how dark it was on me, but I was really looking forward to that matte look. This was when I realized that this thing was dark. But yeah, I really wanted that matte look, and Fenty just does that. It just mattifies your face extremely. I'm using the same LA Pro concealer again just to balance it out so I don't look, like I have black face on, but it all worked out in the end. That's one thing I love about makeup. It can start looking so, messy, but it just works out in the end. I'm using my Fenty powder to just set this in place, and I used a lot of powder, especially under my eye, because I wanted that bright look, and this did it for me. Music break alert, music break alert, music break alert. 2 minutes 44 minutes. You miss me, I miss you, Mariello. Mariello, oh Mariello. And if you leave me, you won't be Mariello. Okay, we back. It's not Uwani if music is not involved. I'm just setting the rest of my face with some powder left on the brush. And now for my contour, I'm using the Fenty Beauty bronzers, and this is in the dark shade. I'm going to leave the details down below as well. I'm just contouring my nose and snatching it and snatching my face too. Music break alert. Come back, roll, get in the heart. Come back, roll. I want you to know that give me give me, baby, do that thing you love to do. 'Cause I love you. DMW fan out cheer. But anyway, I just went ahead to contour my whole face. Then I applied some blush to my some blush to my cheeks. And this blush is from Zaron Cosmetics. I'm just blending that in with my powder brush again, and then going ahead to do my brows. This brow step, I'm just using my foundation just to go over it, and you can see like the effect of that immediately on the left brow. I'm doing that same thing to the right brow as well. This just makes the brows look much natural, if you can see the difference. Yeah, so yeah, that's that's something I'm getting used to doing right now. I'm cutting my cheeks. What is this called? Reverse contouring. And then I'm highlighting my inner tear duct and then extending my eyeliner as usual. Not too much because soft glam, but I still can't lose my Uwani-ness of it all. So yeah.
We interrupt this program for a special news bulletin.
So guys, your girl has been nominated for the Under 30 CEOs Award for an online personality category. So please guys, vote for me. I'm going to leave the link below. Vote for your girl. We can do this. Let's do this. Thank you so much. Even though they spelled my name wrong, let's do this guys. Thank you.
Please stand by for further details. We return you now to your regularly scheduled program.
I'm blending out the excess powder and looking cute on a daily. I'm using my Banish spray just to make sure everything sips in and just sits properly. I'm highlighting my Cupid's bow before going in with my lippy. I'm using the Yanga Beauty color in Choco. I love this, is my absolute favorite brown lipstick, and I'm also using the Teos Cosmetics in Echo City. I love this combo so much. I believe this is like the perfect brown girl, brown skin friendly lip combo. Is just so cute. I love it. It's matte by Nigeria to grow Nigeria. Yes, you know what it is. It's a Nigerian product on my lip. I'm just braiding my hair like a princess that I am. Sorry, queen, and then highlighting my face. I just used what was left on the brush. I didn't put any highlighter on this because soft glam is not really meant to have highlighter, but yeah. Yes guys, that's it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I really like this look. Like, I feel like this is going to be how I do my makeup from now. Like, this whole matte face, I love it. I really love it. I miss my highlighter, but I love it. Anyway, I'm going to leave the link to the hair as well down below. If you're interested in Wiggins hair, just check the description box. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe. Don't forget to click the bell like button down below so you can have notifications every time I post a video. And don't forget to follow me on my social media accounts, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye. I kind of did that, like this look. Yeah, I did that. I freaking did that. Cause it's a vibe.